The Ethereum ETF got released yesterday and we could hold strongly right here, but will we finally see this bullish explosion or do we see a big sell-off to the downside? In this video I will talk about Ethereum and share my price prediction for the future. So as I said yesterday, we saw the start of the Ethereum ETF and we just saw this downwards move about 4%, and if we compare it to the Bitcoin ETF launch, we here dropped about 20% and we saw this retracement about 14 days. So in comparison, Ethereum is holding here very strongly because many people thought that we directly see a bullish move when the Ethereum ETF got launched, but mostly when the retailers and small investors think that the price will go up, then mostly the price will go to the downside. That's why we are saying buy the rumor and sell the news. But in this case we could hold very strongly, and additionally we also got this very bullish news: Ferrari accept Bitcoin and Ethereum payments in Europe, and I think these are very bullish news because Ferrari is one of the biggest car producers and has a very luxury branding, and I think this is a very big statement for the crypto niche. And additionally right now we have Donald Trump, which is really pushing the crypto niche, and after the attack on Trump the price increased immensely for Bitcoin. So right now we are in very bullish news, and we got the Bitcoin ETF and the Ethereum ETF, and as you can see, after the 20% retracement we then started this massive bullish power and we directly blasted through the upside and also made a new all-time high and reached $73,000. So after the down we got this push and increased over nearly 90% on Bitcoin, which is really massive, and this rally was in 2 months. So the Bitcoin price increased without heavy retracements, and I think the chance is very high that we could see massive explosions for Ethereum in the near future because, as I said, we had very bullish news. We are holding here very strongly even if we have the Ethereum ETF launch. And technically we retested this last demand zone, pushed to the upside, and also broke this last high to the upside. We got this bullish order flow shift. So I think the chance is high that we could see massive explosions in the near future, and the next price target is the supply zone about $3,900 to $4,000. And if we're also breaking this one to the upside, then the last really interesting price target is the all-time high about $4,800. And if we're also breaking this one to the upside and retest it, then I think the chance is high that we could see even higher prices in this bull run cycle for Ethereum, and I think a target of $10,000 for this bull run is very realistic for Ethereum. So I think the chance is high that we could reach this Fibonacci retracement level about $11,000 and $300, and from the price right now to this price target we would have potential over 220%, and I think this would be an amazing deal for a big coin like Ethereum. And of course Ethereum is a great project with a very high potential and with a really nice use case. So in the medium and long term I'm very bullish on this project. And if you don't know where to trade Ethereum or Bitcoin, you can do this on Blofin. Blofin has no KYC and very small fees. And as you can see, I'm also opened a small position on Ethereum right here, and I tested this platform for a month and I'm really happy to use it. And Blofin give me this exclusive 15% cashback event for my community. So for example, if you're depositing $1,000, you get $150 futures trading bonus on top, and you get this 15% cashback on top of the normal bonus for Blofin. So if you want to try out another exchange without KYC, then I would recommend Blofin, and if you're using my link, I would be really happy and appreciate it. But of course you can use the exchange you like the most. So for the medium and long term I'm bullish, but what is right now in the short term? Right now I'm, as I said, in a long position, so I think the chance is very high that we could see explosion right here because we are holding this support, and as I said, we have this bullish news. But of course I could also imagine that we are going to the downside, sweep this last lows right here, take liquidity, and if we are seeing this bullish price action right here, then I think the chance is high that we could then see the massive explosion after we sweep this last lows. And if we are seeing a bigger sell off under this lows and don't see bullish price action, then I think the chance is high that we could see even lower prices. And if we are using the Fibonacci tool, then I could imagine a retracement back to the 0.618 Fibonacci right here at $3,100. So if we come back here and see then bullish price action, then I could imagine that we are then seeing the explosion. Or of course, we could also go down to the 0.786 Fibonacci. So if we are seeing a bearish move with strong momentum, then I could imagine a move right here in this region. And always if we are seeing a bullish price action, then I could imagine that we are starting the trend right here to the upside. Just if we are breaking this one to the downside, then I think the chance is high that we could see even lower prices, but I think this is the most unlikely scenario. But when anything happens, I will update you in my free Telegram group. It's the first link in the description, and I will share daily updates on Bitcoin, Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies, so feel free to join my free Telegram group. So guys, this was my prediction for Ethereum for the next time. Please leave a like or a comment if you really liked this video and find it very helpful. And if you like this style of videos where I make short videos about Ethereum and Bitcoin and including some news. And I wish you great luck at trading and see you in the next video.